For those who do not know too much about Intellve, let me give you a little brief. We are basically own a platform, a software platform known as Integrated Command and Control Center. We have got a platform working in Varanasi Smart City and under implementation in Dholera. Quite a few banks, about 15-17 banks are also being monitored on our platform. And one very interesting case is about Mannapuram Finance. Their entire 3,500 branches are being monitored on our platform for the last 4 years. And we are very, very happy to announce that since the installation of a platform in the last 4 years, there have been no successful robberies. There were about between 80 to 100 attempts for robbery, but none of them were successful. Everyone was detected either before the robbery took place or post the robbery. Every case, the company made a huge saving in terms of reduction in cost for security, and also they made substantial about 40 to 50% reduction in the insurance premium that they pay, which is a substantial amount. The saving in insurance is greater than the cost that they are paying us for supplying this software. So that is a very, very successful case for us that encourages us that we can do even better. What we are here today for is the launch of our new offering, which we believe is a path-breaking and a disruptive software, the first of its kind. And we also believe that this is the way to go for future. We call it the Monitoring Hub. This will completely change the way command and control centers are run, operated and owned.